Good morning, my friends. My name is Sally Casper. I just woke up this morning. I exercised a little bit, and then the next thing I have to do is make some coffee. So, coffee's going. This is my energizer in the morning coffee. The next thing I have to do is make some smoothie. So, I will see you in a little bit. Okay, my friends, here I am again. This is what or me and my husband love for smoothie is a Minute Maid original 100% orange juice. I don't like the other with mix, but this is I like is lots of vitamin C, and then I got some strawberry from my garden, and then have frozen grapes, one banana, and then apples, which is said it's already washed. Said one apple a day keep the doctors away. Okay, so makes you healthy, good for your heart, and of course banana. So I have to blend this. First thing I have to do is put this here, all the fruits together. And then one banana. It's already full. And then slice of apples. And then I'll shake this one. Because I don't want to put the orange juice first, because then it's not much you'll fill up right away, not much and then just blend, and here's my smoothie. Cheers everyone, you have a nice day.